Hi, Bio11A. Welcome to week 6. I wanted to comment on a few things. This past week, you had your energy solutions, and some of you came up with fantastic articles that mentioned all sorts of alternative sources of energy and data on what that's going to look like in future years. And I think those were great. There was a lot of good stuff that came in, and I enjoyed reading those a lot. Some articles that you picked were articles that were presenting a problem, and we know the problem. I wanted you mostly to pick articles that were presenting solutions and not the actual problem. So you might have gotten some comments about that. The DNA extraction went super well, you guys. You got lots of big globs of DNA, so I thought that was excellent and really good work. One of you even made a video of it. It went on TikTok, and I think that's awesome. It's the first time one of my assignments ends up on TikTok. So very great. I was thrilled at that. The pigeon was another good discussion that went on, bringing back an animal that is extinct. And this conversation comes up with one group of biologists that thinks that's just a great idea. And then obviously others, like you guys, most of you decided that that was not such a good idea. So this is always contentious. And it's interesting to have those discussions, to think about it, to think about what it would do to the ecology of the region if you decided to do that. So good job on commenting all that. That was good. Okay, we have a week ahead of us. I'm looking at the schedule here. We are continuing on now onto meiosis, so still cell division, and I think things are going well. Keep contacting me. I've been hearing from some of you, and I think we're doing well. So. See you soon. Take care.